Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in sentiment, currently at plus 0.25, with momentum climbing to plus 0.60. This is noteworthy because it breaks through the typical noise we see in the finance sector. Typically, sentiment scores hover below this level, which indicates a potential shift in investor confidence or market activity. When you query our API, you receive a comprehensive sentiment score, momentum data, and a breakdown of 17 semantic clusters that detail how different topics are contributing to the overall sentiment. Imagine using this insight to enhance your trading algorithms, incorporating sentiment and momentum indicators to refine your entry and exit points could give you a significant edge. For more details on how to leverage this data, head over to pulsebitenterprise.com/docs. Our API is designed to help you make data-driven decisions right when it matters.